Hello again. Today we're talking about how to change out the engine air filter. The air filter should be changed every 4 years or 60,000 miles for the 4.4 liter engine, or every 3 years or 45,000 miles for the 4.2 liter supercharged engine. Another indication that you may need a new engine air filter is seeing a P0172 or P0175 trouble code from your OBD2 scanner. This is indicating that the system is too rich and that there may be a restriction in the air intake system. A cheap place to start for this type of code is to replace the air filter if you have not done so recently. All parts and tools used will be listed in the description, so let's get started. As you might expect, release the hood and open it all the way. Once done, gather your materials. I will not be using the OEM filter, rather I will use a MAN C31-196 filter, which was highly reviewed on Amazon and is less expensive than the OEM filter. For opening of the airbox, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. If you'd like to clean the mass airflow sensor, you will also need a T20 Torx bit. However, this is totally optional. The air filter is located inside of this airbox. To access the filter, there are a few things to remove. Now, all that is technically required to access the air filter is to remove 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will allow you to access the filter by propping up the top of the airbox from the side. However, I would recommend also loosening the hose clamp and releasing the mass airflow sensor so that the top of the box can be completely removed and the airbox can be inspected and cleaned. First, take the flathead screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp. Next, remove the sensor harness. These are notorious for being hard to remove, so you can use leverage from the flathead bit. I also removed the mass airflow sensor completely by loosening the T20 Torx screws, but remember this is totally optional, you can leave it where it is. Next, loosen all 7 screws. You actually only need to remove the screws about halfway, and you should notice a decrease in the torque once the screws are out enough. This will make reinstallation easier. Here's the mass airflow sensor. I'm only removing it from the housing because I am going to clean it. Finally, remove the Christmas tree fastener holding the harness to the box. Now you can completely remove the top portion of the airbox. The portion removed is the clean side of the air filter, so there really shouldn't be much debris on this portion of the box. Here you can see the old filter. Clearly there is some debris and bugs caught in this filter. Definitely time to replace it. Next, grab the new filter from the box. As a comparison, you can see the new filter is clean and new. Before installing the filter, I will clean the contact points with some silicone lubricant. Ideally, this will help with the life of the rubber seals, as well as remove dust from the seal point. This might be a little overboard, but I also cleaned out the small gap using a flathead to get into the space. Next, install the new filter as so. Make sure it seats correctly all the way around. It is also a good idea to clean off the top portion of the airbox. Also, apply some silicone lubricant to the outlet port. Next, place the top of the box back into place. It should seat nicely. If not, the box may be offset and needs some adjustment. Reinstallation is the opposite of installation. Tighten the hose clamp, tighten the 7 screws, reinstall the Christmas tree fastener, replace the mass airflow sensor if you removed it, and reconnect the mass airflow sensor. Finally, jump in and start the car. If you originally are replacing the filter because of a check engine light, clear the code and see if it returns. Otherwise, just do a final check to make sure everything is snug. And that's it. Hopefully this guide will help you with regular maintenance or troubleshoot a engine too rich code. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for tips, tricks, and repairs for Range Rover Sports and LR3s that can save you thousands over taking it to the dealer. I post videos about once a week, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching and have a good one.